guys, so we are back with another wig tutorial on the hair that I will be trying today. Is from Beauty Forever Hair. We got some ombre hair. So this one is a lace closure colored unit. Ooh. So that's what the inside of the wig is looking like, and it also has so there's two combs on the top and then you have one in the back. And there's also the little drawstrings, these little jaw strap that you can attach if you want your wig to fit a little bit more tighter on your head. The hair is really soft, you guys. I'm going to use the guard to the Insta bowl, and I'm just going to spray this on my skin. Y'all, so this is the hair. Again, this hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. The hair is gorgeous, you guys. Like, I feel like such a doll right now. The hair is super soft. The color is just perfect. I love how the colors are blending together. So again, this hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. This is their 4x4 lace closure unit with fake scalp. So the underneath does have the whole fake scalp thing going on, so it does really look like scalp coming out of my, what am I saying? Scalp. So if you guys can see, it does look like this hair is kind of growing out of a scalp. Minus the baby hairs, I really didn't know what to do with the baby hairs. I kind of like just suit them. Also, this is the first time I'm ever doing baby hairs like this. I really wanted to try something new. I don't know if it looks bad but to me it looks good on camera, but I'm still iffy about it looking into my mirror. But the hair is really gorgeous, you guys. The hair is super soft, super silky. Again, like I said, no shedding, no tangling. The hair overall is just really gorgeous, and I'm so loving this. My makeup, everything with this color is just giving me so much life right now. Also, their prices are not too expensive. I know you guys love a sale and you guys love budgeting, so they have like the perfect prices. They're not too expensive, but again, they're not too cheap. So it's just like the perfect combination. They're just in between. It's just right. Actually, I'm gonna turn around really quick just to show you guys what the back is looking like, because I know a lot of you guys be, ooh, my top got it. Wow, the ghetto. I'm here talking about I look good. Meanwhile, my top, I have a tear. I'm just gonna turn around really quick, show you guys what the back is looking like, so you guys don't be complaining that we don't ever show you guys the back. So yeah, that's what the back of the wig is looking like. You guys, I'm actually obsessed with these colors. I don't know if it's just like since the fall has started, but literally since the fall started, I've actually been like so, like all I really want to see on myself is like brown and blonde hair. I don't know why. I've been obsessing with like brown and blondes lately, and these wigs are just doing it for me. Like, it's been a hit after hit. I also have one that I recently reviewed also that's very similar looking to this one. If you guys did not watch that, you guys definitely should. I believe that one's a little bit more pricier than this one. So I forgot to tell you guys, I did get this hair in a 24-inch. So the hair is pretty long. Right now I'm sitting and it's like touching my legs. So the hair is pretty long. The hair is just so soft, you guys. It feels really good. I'm sorry if I keep touching it, but the hair is like extremely soft. It's really silky. And I love me some silky straight hair. It's super silky and I really like that. The hair also is full throughout the entire unit. So from root all the way down to the ends, the hair is really full and nice. Has a good weight on it. I'm not too sure what density I got this hair in, but the hair is pretty full, you guys. That's pretty much all I have to say on this hair. If you guys did enjoy this video, comment down below, let me know how you guys feel in the blondes. And as usual, you guys know what to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Definitely hit that subscribe button so you will not miss any of my uploads. I have a lot of wig reviews going up this week, throughout this week and the next week, so definitely stay tuned for all of that. Not just wig reviews, I have a ton of videos that's coming out, so that's already pre-recorded. I just need to find the time to edit them. I hate editing, but we're gonna get there somewhere, somehow. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and until next time, bye my loves.